Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to block comments in Visual Studio Code. So first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead and open your browser and then get Visual Studio Code from code.visualstudio.com, and from here guys, as you can see, this is the official page, so make sure that the logo is blue and the name is Visual Studio Code. After that, go here to download it for your Windows if you have Windows. Also, if you have for example macOS or Linux, you can just go here, click on this arrow, so it will open you this drop down list. You can go to macOS and download from here, Windows from here, Linux x64 from here. Otherwise, you can just open it on your web browser, just from here, and as you can see, they are completely the same, so there is no difference between these two softwares. Now, how we can actually block a comment in Visual Studio Code. So basically, all I need you to do is go to Visual Studio Code, and let me just go here, and let me just remove all of these, so it deletes, and delete this one as well. And now let's go, for example, here, download Python, make sure that your language is installed, and then start your file. So let me create tutorial.py, and here it is, my Python file. Now let me do some kind of a code. So hello world, if a equals hello world, then print uh print something like that, for example. So here we go. So if a equals to hello world, we can print a, else print by word, something like that. I don't know if it's correct because I'm not good with actually coding. So let's check. So here we go. Let's see if it's correct. So what's the problem with it? Alright, I think I have a problem here. So yep, I think I have a problem. But anyway, overall, this is the code that we are using. So what I'm going to do is actually select that in order to make a block comment, and then go to here, select comment palette. So Control Shift P, comment palette, and then from here you can search for block comment. Here we go, and just go here, click on this, and as you can see, it has made our code to comments. So it is now no longer a code, and it will be no longer executable. So guys, that's what's it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.